Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29mm wave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 D40 Nissan Navara STX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4072. This shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the guard, left-hand guard, which appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left chrome Parador.mirror, power fold type. Left front door appears to have no damage. We've got a pair of factory sidesteps supplied with all bolts, brackets, sold as a pair. Left rear door, one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with an Alpha colour-coded canopy supplied with all fittings, with the roof rack, does not have keys. Left-hand tail light, chrome rear bumper step, has one small dent, and obviously 2 screw holes where the camera they've mounted. It's got a factory-fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom with the neck. Right-hand tail light, tailgate has one small dent. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, or dark grey cloth interior. It's got a dark grey centre console lid, manual type console, manual gear shifter, 6-speed, heated controls, climate control type, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke grey leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.